Welcome to exam quiz. Test your knowledge on Akbar. Let's see how many you can answer. Here is your first question. Who succeeded Humayun as Mughal emperor? In which year did Akbar ascend the throne? What was Akbar's full name? What was Akbar's age when he became emperor? Who acted as Akbar's regent in the early years? The second battle of Panipat was fought in which year? Who was defeated in the second battle of Panipat? What is the real name of Himu? Where was Akbar crowned emperor? Who was Akbar's father? Who was Akbar's mother? Akbar shifted his capital from Agra to Fatehpur Sikri was built in honor of which famous building was built at Fatehpur Sikri? Buland Darwaja was built to commemorate Akbar introduced which new religion? Who was the founder of Dil Ilahi? What was the purpose of Dil Ilahi? Who was Akbar's famous finance minister? Akbar's land revenue system was called Who was Akbar's famous Hindu general? Akbar abolished jizya tax in Jizya tax was related to the Ibadat Khana house of worship was built at Akbar's famous court historian was Abul Fazl wrote Akbar divided his empire into how many subhas were there under Akbar? Subhas head were known as what was Akbar's famous policy? Akbar's famous Rajput policy aimed at Akbar's Rajput wife was Akbar's reign lasted from when did Akbar siege Chittorgarh fort? Battle of Haldigati was fought in which year? Battle of Haldigati was fought between whom? When did Battle of Gujarat fought? In which year Battle of Nagarkot fought? When did Akbar annex Bengal? In which year Akbar conquers Kashmir? Akbar conquers Sindh in which year? When did Deccan campaign take place? Akbar was also known by name. What does Sikandar-i-Sani mean? Why was Akbar compared to Alexander? Where is Akbar's tomb? What is Akbar's tomb called? Answer this if you know this answer.